In this short video, I'm going to introduce an Excel function called the match function. The match function enables you to find within a given array the first occurrence of a match to a given text string or number. You should use the match function instead of a lookup function in situations in which you want the position of a number in the range rather than the value in a particular cell. The match function has three arguments. The first argument is the lookup value, the value you are trying to match in the lookup range. The second argument is the range you are examining for a match to the lookup value. The value for lookup range must be a row or a column. The third argument is match type. There are three cases. If the match type equals 1, the lookup range value to consists of numbers listed in ascending order. And the match function then will return the row location in the lookup range. If match type equals -1, the lookup range value to consist of numbers listed in descending order. The match function then will return the row location in the lookup range relative to the top of the lookup range that contains the last value in the range that is greater than or equal to the lookup value. If match type equals 0, it will return the row location in the lookup range that contains the first exact match to the lookup value. So let's look at examples here. First, here's a list of text, 8 cities. The first function shown here is match, look for Boston, and then return the position of Boston in the data range from B4 to B11, and 0 means exact match. Therefore, the position of Boston is on the top. It will return a value of 1. This function look up for the position of Phoenix in the 7th position, therefore returns 7. Alternatively, you do not have to type in the whole text. You can type in a partial of text. So PHO asterisk. It will also return 7. Now let's move to the second example. Here's a list of numbers arranged in ascending order. Suppose I want to know the position of the last number that is less than or equal to 0. Look at this data range. We know the position is going to be 4. Okay, so the function is going to be the value is 0. You do not need a double quotation for a number. In the data range E4 to 11, the data is arranged in ascending order, so type is 1, and the value returned is 4th. Here, for G4 to G11, the numbers are arranged in descending order, and I want to find out the position of the last number that is greater than or equal to -4. Looking at this data range, the position is 7, and the function returns 7. There you go. Match function is quite simple. It is different from lookup function. Match will return the position of the value you're looking for in the data range. Lookup function will return the value you're looking for. Thanks for watching. If you like